Good morning, children. Children, in our last class, we learnt about the bar graph. Okay? Children, bar graph uses bars to represent the data. Bars may be horizontal or vertical. Each bar has a label and it stands for a number. The longest bar represents the greatest number and the shortest bar represents the smallest number. Width of all the bars is same throughout. The gap between two bars is the same here. This gap between these two bars should be same. And now, appropriate scale is chosen to suit the data. Bar graph has a title. So children, this is called the scale. I already told you. So this should be suitable according to the data. Okay. Now children, today we will start the new exercise, that is your 14A. Open your children exercise, this 14A. So children, 14A question number 1. The bar graph shows the average heart rate of some animals according to a report. Observe it and answer the question. So children, here this bar graph shows the animals and represents the number of heartbeats. So let's fill here children. Here the first animal is the cat and you can see the heartbeat is about 130, up to 130. So right here cat heartbeat is 130. Now for this next dog, the height of this bar is 90. So heartbeat will be 90. Similarly children, you will find for bear, elephant and blue whale also. When we talk about the blue whale children, you can see the height of this bar is just one line above the half. Here is the scale of 10-10. So here this middle line is half of 10, that is your 5. And one more line, that is your 6. So the blue whale heart rate you will take as 6. So children, fill it here in the table. Now moving to question number B. Whose heartbeat is most number of times in a minute? So you can see here children, the longest bar is for cat. So answer will be cat. The cat heart beats most number of times in a minute. Number C. Name the animal whose heartbeat is less than 10 per minute. Means children, here is your 10. So whose heartbeat is less than 10? You can see this is only blue whale. So answer will be blue whale. Next question number D. The average heartbeat of a human is 72 per minute. So tell whose heartbeat in the graph is closer to the human. So children, 72 is here. So you can see whose animal's heartbeat is closer. So this is green color, no? So answer will be dog. Dog heartbeats is more closer to the human being heartbeat. Now question number E. How many fewer heartbeats do you note of an elephant than of a bear? So children, you find the heartbeat of elephant, heartbeat of bear and find the difference. So children, you will just subtract it. The heartbeat for elephant is your 30 and the heartbeat for bear is your 50. So subtract and find the difference. Answer will be 20. Now moving to question number 3. Turn your page. A survey was conducted by a car manufacturing company to know the most popular color among people. The adjacent bar graph represents the various colors of cars owned by number of families in that survey. Use the graph to answer. So children, you can see here colors given, car colors, and here number of families are given. Okay, how many families like white cars, how many families like red color, gray color and so on. Question number A, which is the most popular car color? So children, you can see whose height is the longest. So you can see the gray color, no? So the gray color is most popular car color. So answer will be gray. Number B, how many families owned car of other color? So children, look here for other color. So it's approaching here till here. Now children, there is a scale of 4, 4. You can see there is a gap of 4, na? So scale is 4. So here between 24 and 28, the number will be, yes, 26. So the other color car is liked by 26 families. Okay, so right answer 26. How many families were surveyed by the company? So children, here you have to find total number of families surveyed. So how many families like white car, how many families like red car and grey cars, and then you have to find for all. And then finally we will do addition. So white color is liked by 34 families, red color 30 families, grey 38 families, black 36 families, and other is 26 families. So total number of families surveyed, you have to add all those. So when you do addition, you will find 164 families were surveyed. Now moving to next question number D. How many more families own white car than red car? So here you have to find the difference between these two families, white car and red car. Okay, children, you can see the number of white car is owned by 34 families and red car is owned by, yes, 30 families. So find the difference. 34 minus 30, that is your 4. Therefore, 4 families own white car than red car. Now last question, suggest a better title for the bar graph. So children, bar graph is showing the number of favorite color of cars owned by some families. So you can give the appropriate title, this one only. I hope you are getting. Now moving to question number 4. 5 friends toss their own coin 60 times. So children, when we toss, you get the head or you tell. And record how many times head appeared. The data below shows their recording. So when the 5 friends have tossed, so Neha got 43 times head, Meena got 29 times head, Sheena got 48 times head, and so on. So children, you have to draw the horizontal bar graph and vertical bar graph. Okay, this is children your vertical bar graph when the bars are standing. Okay, and this is your horizontal bar graph. So you have to show the same data in the vertical bar graph and in the horizontal bar graph. So I am showing you anyone. Suppose children, we are doing the vertical bar graph, number B. So children, look at here. When you draw the bar graph, first of all you need to draw 2 axes. Okay, this is your graph paper. If you are having graph paper, then you can draw in this. Otherwise, you can draw in your maths special copy only. So children, this horizontal line representing the name of the friends. Okay, and you have to leave the same number of boxes. So you can see I am leaving here one box. One box I have left, name is Neha. One box I have left, next girl, Meena. One box left, this girl, Sheena, like this. So children, this side I have written the name of the friends and this line shows the number of heads appeared. Okay, and here you can give the title of the bar graph. I have given number of head appeared by 5 friends. Now children, when we talk about this Neha, you can see she has got 43 times head. Now this Meena 29 times head, 48 times head. So children, you have to find the scale which should have all these numbers. Okay. So children, suppose I am taking the scale 10. Okay. It will be better. Because children, in one square there are 10 small lines. This middle line shows your 5 and each line represents 1 unit. Okay. So when we take here scale 10, so all these small lines are of 1. So there are 10 small lines and the middle one shows your 5. So take the scale 10 and mark here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like this. Now when we talk about Neha, Neha got hit 43 times. So children, draw this bar up to 40 and 3 more lines. So 43. So the height of this bar will be up to 43. Now when we talk about this Mina, here the bar will go up to 29, means one line below the 30. Okay, 29. You can see I am not touching the 30, just one line down. Now when we talk about Sheena, she has got 48 times. So again you draw the bar up to 48, means 2 lines down from 50. 48. Now Bina for 35. So this 30 and 5 lines more, 35. Now Reena for 40 times she has got the head. So draw here up to 40. Okay. So children, if you want, you can color these bars also, no problem. Otherwise, you can leave it in this way only. So children, this is the, yes, vertical bar graph because bars are standing. So this is the B number. I have drawn vertical bar graph to show the data. I hope you are getting, children. If you are having graph paper, draw. Otherwise, do in your maths copy. Now children, in A number, you have to draw the same data in a horizontal bar graph. Means the same thing you will draw, but in this way. So this side you will write the name of the friends. Okay, Neha and all. And this side you will write the number of heads appeared. You try this question by your own, children. Draw it horizontally. Okay. So children, our this chapter is also over. Now you will do revision for your annual examinations from the next video. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Take care.